is functional. They are engineered and tested for a maximum of passenger comfort and safety. Basket weaving is a tough job, requiring a special skill and hands that are almost as tough as the rattan used in the weaving of the baskets. A genuine and plush padded suede is custom made in our own color, Raven Chaps. It is cut, fitted, and sewn by Raven artisans. This suede highlights the side rails, uprights, and instrument case. In some models, a tough leather scuff pad protects the basket's lower area. Raven makes two basic models, the Classic and the Rally. The top-of-the-line Classic Limited model offers such luxury options as a padded leather seat, luxury console with insulated champagne holders, and even an electronic blast and ignition. The standard instruments required by the FAA are the altimeter, rate of climb meter, and pyrometer. These are installed inside the basket in an easily detachable suede-covered instrument case, or in the console. When aeronauts observe the many exclusive features Raven offers, they especially point out the stainless steel 20-gallon tanks, which offer high fuel volume at a lower tank weight. They know every pound saved on equipment in your balloon translates into more passenger capacity and longer flights. In fact, our twin stainless steel fuel tanks weigh 27% less than aluminum tanks of comparable capacity. The Classic Limited Basket's final touch, your personally engraved owner's plaque, coveted by owners in 50 states as well as Canada, Europe, South America, and Japan, significantly addresses the overall exclusivity and uniqueness of the Raven hot air balloon system. It reflects your personal dream and involvement in the design of your balloon, individually manufactured for you with Raven's total handcrafted quality. Raven's exclusive Square Shooter 2 burner is handmade in the Raven machine shop. Machinists with many years of experience remind us that only Raven provides the factory-made protection behind not only the burner system, but every part of the balloon. The machined parts then go to the hot air production facility, where the burner craftsmen begin the multifarious task of assembling more than 300 burner parts. There are actually over 250 combinations of basket, burner, and envelope systems available. Then, how do you know what you really want in a Raven balloon system? Raven balloon owners will testify to the fact that you can depend on your Raven dealers' experience and advice. Each of the numerous Raven dealers are not only initially well qualified, but they are periodically brought to Sioux Falls for factory training. When you buy a Raven balloon, you receive the personal attention and service of your local dealer, as well as the strength and solidarity of Raven Industries itself. You can count on us for service today and for the many years you own your Raven balloon.
The Raven balloon probably, I feel, is better because our basic instruction is good throughout that balloon. The type of seams that we use, the materials that we use, all of that material has been tested before we ever get our hands on it down here in production. It runs through all kinds of receiving inspections and stuff. Then on top of that, the quality that we try to maintain with that fabric and those materials when we complete that balloon. We just try to spend a lot of time taking care in making that right, making it to what the customer really wants. If we need something that will help us make these balloons better, we'll just go out and buy it. Raven has that capability because of the size of the company that we are. If we need new machines, whatever they may be, we'll just go out and buy them. They will allow us to build balloons better. The people here, they're a great asset to us. Some of the people that we have out here, out of all the people, I have 8 of them that have been here over 8 years. 5 of those have been with me over 10 years. So we spent a lot of time together, built a lot of balloons together, and they're just basically good. After all those years, they know what they're doing. Those people are very good at what they do.
Raven is a large, financially sound company and that allows us to back our products to the utmost that any customer would appreciate. We back our products with our pride, the self-pride that we have internally to do everything in our power to produce a product that is safe, reliable, and satisfactorily designed to what the customer wants. In spite of our size, we're able to maintain a close customer contact, and we're sensitive to their needs, and we strive to maintain that sensitivity and put it back into our products and the way we sell our products.
Because a balloon is an aircraft, its design, construction, and maintenance must follow applicable Federal Aviation Administration regulations. After each of the major components has been built, the Quality Control Department then inspects and tests them. The inspections are done by those individuals appointed by the FAA as designated manufacturer's inspection representatives. The burner, as with all components, has to meet the rigid specifications of our engineering department. The complete basket is also inspected for conformity to the prints. Each envelope is scrutinized before it leaves the production area, and the final inspection is done during the test inflation. Quality control means everything to Raven, and it means even more to hundreds of satisfied customers who come to Raven because they know there is no substitute for quality, durability, and craftsmanship. After meeting the FAA regulations, all standard Raven balloon systems are issued a standard airworthiness certificate as a type-certified aircraft. There is little of fancy that does not become fact here. Continuing efforts in research and development have gained Raven the distinction of being the largest and most experienced balloon manufacturer in the world. No other balloon company has done more. No other balloon company has invested more personal involvement, more total commitment to the product and the customer it serves. In Raven's silver anniversary year, the tenure of the hot air balloon production staff has a combined 140 years of service, with an average of 7.2 years per employee. This is longer than most other balloon manufacturers have been in business or had their type certificate. More important is that even as the facts unfold, the fancy not only remains, but becomes a tangible reality, as the dream at last is realized. The balloon is born, and once more, Raven takes you above the rest of the world.